want to see you again at Center City Park in Greensboro, June 22nd, 2019 from 11 to 4. Experience vegan food from Healing Springs Pharmacy Collective. We're going to be cooking up from our beet sponsors, our kale sponsors, and our sweet potato sponsors. We thank you for your support. This year's theme is how to go vegan and how to grow your own. Vegfest is brought to you by Body Ecology, Veg Fund, Whole Foods Market, A Well-Fed World, Kids Cafe Greensboro, Deep Roots Market, Raffles and Giveaways, Black Belt Soap Company, Good Health Greensboro, Greensboro Grasshoppers, Heyday Soap, Carolina Biscuit Company, Hampton Farms, Follow Your Heart, Mozzarella Fellas, Britain Chiropractic, and Healing Ways Hemp in High Point. Guest speakers, Meet Your Farmer and Vegetation Panel, Vegetainment, Triad Vegfest Unplugged Open Mic Edition. Contact triadvegfest@gmail.com. The third annual Triad Vegfest by volunteer in your community and Healing Springs Pharmacy. We can't wait to see you again.